She went through a big raid. Of course, everybody was laughing because they found it more amusing कि शाहिद कपूर उनके घर पे थे हाफ चड्डी पहनकर. Imagine what Priyanka Chopra went through at that time. When I asked about Aditya Pancholi, she says, you know, I'm really scared, Simi, and don't ask me about Aditya Pancholi.
अजब मेरा दिल बदतमीज था और इनकी चमेली चिकनी.
I think Karan Johar is babbling away. Karan Johar is an intelligent filmmaker, so he's completely lost it here. We should move on.
स्क्रीन पर करते हैं मेल हीरोज रॉक, बट रियल लाइफ में होती हैं सेक्सी गर्ल्स as tough as iron and steel. प्रियंका चोपड़ा, विद्या बालन, कंगना रनौत ने कैसे की अपनी लाइफ बैटल्स फाइट? We will tell you today on page 3. हॉट एंड सेक्सी प्रियंका चोपड़ा ने टफ कंपटीशन को तगड़ी टक्कर देकर अपनी खास पोजीशन बनाई है. इस जगह तक पहुंचने में प्रियंका को ना ही किसी गॉडफादर का सपोर्ट मिला और ना ही उन्होंने कोई शॉर्टकट अपनाया, बल्कि उनकी इस जर्नी में कई लव अफेयर्स और कंट्रोवर्सीज की मुश्किलें भी आई, लेकिन प्रियंका नहीं घबराई. पहले मिस इंडिया, फिर मिस वर्ल्ड और फिर शामिल हो गई वो बॉलीवुड की टॉप हीरोइंस के लिस्ट में. इतना कुछ अचीव करना वो भी अपने दम पर काबिले तारीफ है, खासकर तब जब फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में उनके कोई कनेक्शंस नहीं थे. Still she managed to bag meaty roles in big banner films. शुरुआत में हर दूसरे को एक्टर के साथ उनके लव अफेयर्स की खबरें आई, लेकिन प्रियंका ने ग्रेसफुली उन कंट्रोवर्सीज को डिसमिस कर दिया. सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट पर पब्लिक ने उन्हें क्रिटिसाइज किया कि प्लास्टिक सर्जरी के जरिए प्रियंका ने अपने लुक्स को किया है एनहांस. क्रिटिसिज्म से चिढ़ने की बजाय प्रियंका ने ऐसी बातों को हंसकर टालना बेहतर समझा. That was not all. Recently प्रियंका जब शाहरुख की थोड़ी अच्छी फ्रेंड बन गई, तो चारों तरफ शोर मचने लगा कि शायद शाहरुख और प्रियंका एक दूसरे के काफी क्लोज आ गए हैं. इस न्यूज ने शाहरुख की वाइफ गौरी को अपेरेंटली इनसिक्योर कर दिया. फिर क्या था, गौरी के साथ साथ many other star wives, filmmakers, stars apparently boycotted प्रियंका quite openly. इससे पहले भी न्यूज आई थी कि अक्षय और प्रियंका की क्लोज फ्रेंडशिप को खत्म करने के लिए ट्विंकल खन्ना ने अक्षय को प्रियंका के साथ काम करने से मना कर दिया. इस तरह के नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड से कोई भी टूट जाए, लेकिन प्रियंका हिम्मत नहीं हारी. She stood strong and remained focused towards her work. यही नहीं, पर्सनल लाइफ में भी पिगी चॉप्स को हार्ड टाइम्स देखने पड़े जब her dad was diagnosed with cancer. लेकिन इस बुरे वक्त में भी प्रियंका came out like a true winner without being emotionally broken. With no filmy background, Kangana Ranaut has still managed to make a good place in Bollywood all by herself. जबकि कंगना को भी कई मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ा है. Reports had it that Kangana was in a relationship with Aditya Pancholi, which was anything but a happy love story. न्यूज तो यहाँ तक थी कि आदित्य ने कंगना को काफी हरास किया था, लेकिन कंगना इस मुश्किल समय से निकलकर आगे बढ़ गई और उन्होंने कई सक्सेसफुल फिल्म्स की. हालांकि उनके बोलने के तरीके और उनकी ड्रेसिंग को जमकर क्रिटिसाइज किया गया, लेकिन कंगना ने धीरे धीरे खुद को इम्प्रूव किया विदाउट टेकिंग सच क्रिटिसिज्म टू हार्ट. पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में भी उन्हें काफी मुश्किलें मिली हैं. पहले तो उनकी बहन रंगोली पर एसिड अटैक हुआ, जिसे कंगना ने काफी हिम्मत के साथ फेस किया. एंड इवेंचुअली शी गॉट हर सिस्टर मैरिड. फिर खबर आई कि संजय दत्त और अजय देवगन से दोस्ती बढ़ाने की वजह से उनकी वाइफ्स को कंगना से प्रॉब्लम हो गई. नतीजा, संजय और अजय दोनों ही कंगना से कटने लगे. इंस्टेड ऑफ ओवर रिएक्टिंग, कंगना chose to maintain a dignified silence. सक्सेसफुल फिल्म्स टू हर क्रेडिट, बॉलीवुड सेक्सी डीवा का खिताब जाता है बिपाशा बासु को, जिन्होंने अपने करियर में काफी कुछ हासिल किया, वो भी बिना किसी गॉडफादर के. लेकिन उनकी सक्सेसफुल जर्नी में मुसीबतें भी कुछ कम नहीं आई. सबसे पहले तो इंडस्ट्री में आते ही उनके वेट पर लोगों ने काफी टॉन्ट्स किए, लेकिन बिपाशा जल्द ही बॉलीवुड की वन ऑफ द फिटेस्ट हीरोइन बन के सामने आई. जॉन के साथ एक स्मूथ रिलेशनशिप रहने के बावजूद कई दूसरे स्टार्स के साथ भी उनका नाम लिंक किया गया, पर बिपाशा ने इन खबरों पे कभी ध्यान नहीं दिया. 10 साल के लॉन्ग रिलेशनशिप होने के बाद आखिरकार जॉन के साथ उनका ब्रेकअप हो गया. This perhaps could have been one of the biggest personal life setbacks, but it couldn't shatter this strong lady. जबकि आज भी मीडिया इनसे जॉन को लेकर सवाल करती रहती है और बिपाशा उन्हें पेशेंटली हैंडल करती हैं. टीवी इंडस्ट्री में करियर स्टार्ट करने के बाद फिल्म्स में टिक पाना काफी मुश्किल माना जाता है, बट विद्या बालन प्रूव्ड दिस रॉन्ग. फिल्मों में विद्या ने काफी देर से एंट्री ली, लेकिन जब एंट्री ली तो क्या जबरदस्त ली. Ever since her first film Parinita, Vidya has been leaving everybody impressed with her talent. कभी उन्हें ओवरवेट कहा गया, तो कभी उनके इंडियन लुक की वजह से उन्हें मिला बहन जी का टैग. फिर भी विद्या कॉन्फिडेंटली एक के बाद एक फिल्म्स करती गई और अपनी एक्टिंग स्किल्स दिखाकर लोगों का मुंह बंद करती गई। शाहिद कपूर और जॉन अब्राहम के साथ लव अफेयर्स की न्यूज तो आई, लेकिन विद्या लव के मामले में कुछ खास लकी नजर नहीं आई। कई चैलेंजेस को फेस करती हुई विद्या ने जब द डर्टी पिक्चर में बोल्ड सिल्क स्मिता का रोल निभाने की ठानी तो सबने कहा था विद हर काइंड ऑफ देसी इमेज शी माइट नॉट डू जस्टिस टू द रोल, बट विद्या बोल्डली वेंट अहेड एंड डिड हर जॉब। और फिल्म की रिलीज के बाद विद्या ने इसी रोल के लिए कई अवार्ड्स जीते और आज लगभग हर टॉप एक्टर और प्रोड्यूसर विद्या के साथ काम करना चाहता है। प्रिटी लुकिंग हीरोइंस की लाइव्स दिखती तो है काफी आसान, लेकिन कुछ एक्ट्रेसेस की सक्सेस स्टोरी इतनी स्मूथ नहीं होती और जो खुद अपने दम पर चैलेंजेस को फेस करके आगे निकल आए तो उन्हें आयरन वुमेन कहना गलत नहीं होगा।
Beauty and talent is part of every heroine in Bollywood. But some girls have exceptional emotional strength. कैसे करते हैं वो अपनी tough life survive? Discuss करेंगे on Party Sharty with Bollywood and Page 3 expert Simi Chandok. Simi, welcome to the show.
Hey Supreet.
Bollywood के इन ups and downs में कई heroines ऐसी हैं that they depict this unexceptional emotional strength.
Yes, बिल्कुल. Even through their downs, they're always up.
And a good example of that is Priyanka Chopra.
Absolutely. I mean, जब भी देखो Priyanka has come out a winner. And interestingly, Supreet, she's always been media friendly, though I don't think the media has been particularly kind to her. She may not have given extensive interviews explaining about her relationships or whatever. But whenever the media has alleged her relationships or link-ups or whatever, she has been patient. She has been accessible to the media always. But somehow, you know, whenever her link-ups have happened and she has been linked up with so many guys, I don't think Bollywood or the media has been very fair to her.
But she always takes it in her stride, and it's not just limited to professional stuff, is it?
I think professionally, well, it's not been very bad for her because she has been pretty successful. अभी भी वो award जीत के आई हैं. And professionally, well, you know, flops and hits are part of every actor's life. And professionally, it's been a good ride for Priyanka Chopra. She's a great actor. She has the looks, she has the body, so she has everything going for her professionally. Personally, also, it's not been that easy for Priyanka, and she's taken it really well. So whether it's, you know, her link-ups and, you know, her hits and runs with Shahid Kapoor, so many times, you know, there was complete chaos. We didn't know whether they were on, they were off, and whether he was with somebody else. So it was a tough ride with Shahid Kapoor. Then there was Harman somewhere in between. And of course, then, you know, there have been rumors about her so-called proximity with Shah Rukh Khan, and we heard and read so much about the so-called ban, the boycott that the Bollywood wives put her through. She hasn't said a word really, you know, and in spite of that, if you come out unblemished, it's a big task, I would say. It's an achievement. And वो भी उस वक्त पर when her dad is battling cancer, and not to forget that she is probably the only actress who survived a big raid. She went through a big raid, and of course everybody was laughing because they found it more amusing कि शाहिद कपूर उनके घर पे थे half चड्डी पहनकर at that time. But if you put yourself in Priyanka Chopra's place at that time and so many income tax officials show up at your house at 7 o'clock in the morning, imagine what Priyanka Chopra went through at that time. So yes, she is completely iron and steel, very tough girl. And you know, all these incidents, time, nothing has affected her looks or her talent or her grit and determination. If at all, I think it's probably made her tougher, better, and she's a complete fighter. And she just refuses to be put down, and she's unputdownable, and she's just getting better with time.
Yeah, whether on the red carpet or personal interview, she's always been smiling and very forthcoming with such things.
Always.
And another person who's always kept it real is Kangana Ranaut, I feel.
Yes, again, you know, she's a small town girl. She had it really difficult when she came. People used to run her down. लोग उनके fashion sense पर हंसते थे. लोग कहते थे उन्हें कपड़े नहीं पहनने आते. And today she's known for her fashion sense. I think जितने fashion brands वो endorse करती हैं, शायद कोई करता है. जितने fashion weeks में मैं उनको देखती हूँ, शायद ही किसी और star को देखती हूँ. And today she is known as a fashion diva. Also उनके accent पर, उनकी diction पर लोग हंसा करते थे. And today I think she's doing some of the most meaningful roles. Again, in her personal relationships, she went through a very hard time. उनकी sister पर acid attack हुआ था. उनकी बहन की उन्होंने शादी करवाई. She was with Aditya Pancholi, who's kind of had a very violent reputation in Bollywood. He was very violent with her. I remember once she came to Zoom, and it was one of her few television interviews, and I remember talking to her. And when I asked her about Aditya Pancholi, she didn't say this on camera, and she requested me. She said, I still get scared scared of him. So don't ask me about Aditya Pancholi. But I don't see that girl being scared of anything otherwise. There's something very sincere. And I remember asking her, at that time, Jia Khan used to be her rival. And of course, today, Jia Khan is nowhere on the scene at all, even in Bollywood. And at that time, Jia Khan used to make fun of her, and she used to say, Kangana Ranaut is a small town girl, and she doesn't understand fashion, and what would she know about wearing clothes? And I asked Kangana Ranaut this on camera, and I said, Jia Khan makes fun of your clothes sense, and she says that you don't know how to dress because you're a small town girl. And Kangana was so matter of fact, and she said, she's probably correct because I am a small town girl and maybe I do not know how to dress. And you look at her today. So again, if you look at her personal relationships, Adhan Suman, he kind of left her, and he probably thought that it wasn't right for him at that time because he suddenly, was about to rise, and he probably thought it's better for him to be single at that time, and he ended the relationship, or so it seemed. And look where she is today, and obviously things haven't worked out for him so far. And then Sanjay Dutt and Ajay Devgan were not very nice to her during Rascals. They kind of boycotted her through the promotions. So she has obviously battled the very male-dominated world of Bollywood, and she has come out victorious again. So she's been through her ups and downs, but again, she has come out a winner.
Another actor who has the emotional strength along with the physical strength, because she does gym out a lot, is Bipasha Basu.
Yes, unfortunately, when people were making fun of Bipasha's body, she turned that into her strength. She's come out with videos, and she's like, here, I have the best body in the world, so take it or leave it. And again, people just go on and on about John Abraham as if to say there's nothing else to ask Bipasha Basu. They just don't leave her alone. But she's completely dignified about it, and I think they should just leave these two alone. They have decided to leave each other, so now leave that question alone and let them move on, whether it's John or whether it's Bipasha.
Well, another person who's connected to a big name in Bollywood now but did not really start there is Vidya Balan.
Yes, and Vidya again went through a lot of personal and professional rejections. So whether it was movies, whether it was her dress sense, whether it was her boyfriends, she proved everybody wrong. And I think we don't even need to say anything about her because there's everything is there for people to see, and whether it's her role in Dirty Picture or whether it's the life she has chosen for herself or it's the way she has gotten married and fixed her life, I think she has probably shown the thing out to the world, and we obviously only have a thumbs up to give her. So I feel somehow all these girls have been media friendly. They have been nice, and for some reason, they have been as nice to Bollywood, and Bollywood has always judged them, the entire film industry. And there is something else in common with them. They're all not from Bollywood. They're all outsiders.
No godfather, really.
Yes, there is no godfather, and the going has been tough for them, but they've all survived. So I think probably when you're from Bollywood, you're not used to battling the odds, and that's when you get it all easy. So if that's when the trouble starts, you don't know how to take it. So I think the outsiders are probably tougher than the people who are from Bollywood.
True say. So kudos to the strong ladies of Bollywood. कुछ लोगों की बातें चक्कर में डाल देती हैं, और जब करण जौहर ने मुंह खोला तो चाहे अनचाहे हेड्स टर्न हो ही गए. करण जौहर बच्चे तो हैं नहीं, लेकिन कभी कभी बातें कुछ ऐसी कर जाते हैं कि हम भी सोच में पड़ जाते हैं. रिसेंटली अपनी फिल्म ये जवानी है दीवानी के ट्रेलर लॉन्च पर जब दीपिका से ये सवाल किया गया कि उन्होंने सबसे क्रेजी चीज क्या की है, इससे पहले कि दीपिका जवाब देती, रणबीर और करण आपस में एक दूसरे को चढ़ाने लग गए. करण ने कहा कि सदियों से उन्होंने कुछ क्रेजी नहीं किया है, तो उसके बाद रणबीर और करण एक दूसरे को अटपटे जवाब देने लग गए, जिसका सवाल से एक्चुअली कोई लेना देना नहीं था.
सदियां हो गए जब मैं क्रेजी था, जब
इनका दिल बदतमीज था.
हाँ, जब मेरा दिल बदतमीज था और इनकी चमेली चिकनी.
अब करण जैसे सीनियर फिल्म मेकर के मुंह से ऊट-पटांग बातें अजीब तो लगेंगे ही. Cracking jokes is one thing, but saying things out of context is definitely going to turn heads for the wrong reason. Simi, let's chat about the head turner of the week. A bit unusual, I say.
Yeah, I think Karan Johar's head is turning, and how अपनी जवानी है दीवानी को promote करते करते थोड़े से दीवाने हो गए हैं. I mean, seriously, I think filmmakers these days just go out of their way to promote movies, and it's like they do anything and they say anything to promote their movies. So here there's a reporter asking Karan Johar, कि what's the craziest thing you ever done? He says, I don't remember. And then Ranbir Kapoor बोल रहे हैं इनका दिल कभी बदतमीज था, और फिर Karan Johar बोल रहे हैं कि इनकी चमेली चिकनी थी, and I don't know what's happening. Seriously, I think Karan Johar is just babbling away, and seriously, he should be a little matured. So I don't even think we should waste time talking about this. I think Karan Johar is an intelligent filmmaker, so he's completely lost it here. We should move on.
I promise you there's lots more to come, so don't go anywhere because when I come back, we are going to rock and how. Time to talk parties.
Yes, and we'll start with Suchitra Krishnamurthy. She's opened a really nice store at Juhu, you know, candles and all things nice. And I think it was very interesting store concept. We are going to show it to our viewers. And of course, then we'll take our viewers to the party that she hosted after the opening. So let's get started.
Let's do. So what else kept you busy?
Supreet, now we'll talk about our neighborhood, Bandra mein, jahan you and me both live. And yes, Nikki Bedi, you know, he has this beautiful restaurant there right on the hill. And he started these charity evenings every Wednesday. So it was a cute, very nice and warm, cozy evening. Let's take our viewers there.
Let's go. Simi, you also turned artsy this week, didn't you?
Yes, when Parvez Damania is hosting an evening, it has to be classy and very nice. So Parvez Damania was helping Shantanu Das showcase his work. And you have to check out the venue, Supreet, where they showcase the art. It's beautiful, even the furniture, everything that you look at, it's to die for. So let's take a look.
Check it out, people. Simi, thank you very much for coming on the show today.
Always my pleasure.
Page 3 is always a joyful ride, but क्या करें बीच में हो जाता है time divide, यानी कि शो के बीच में आ जाता है break. Hey guys, just wait. गॉसिप और स्कैंडलस खबरों के सेशन में ब्रेक हो सकता है, लेकिन दी एंड नहीं. अगले हफ्ते हम फिर लौटेंगे, सेम टाइम सेम प्लेस, वेयर एल्स पर ऑन Zoom, इंडियाज नंबर 1 बॉलीवुड चैनल.